What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're going to pick up car number 2. So today is car number 2 reveal. We're on our way to Copart. And boy, has it been a hell of a day. The bank called and said that the bank said they cannot approve the loan on this Hyundai. And keep in mind, I've got excellent credit with this credit union. And they won't do it because they want me to bring all of my banking from Chase, who has an outstanding user interface. They want me to bring all of my banking from Chase to them, but they still won't guarantee the loan. But I need to do that first before they'll consider giving me the loan for the car. Now, what kind of shady shit is that? Has any of you ever heard of this being a condition of a loan? I don't understand. You need me to bring all of my banking. You know how difficult that is? I don't think you guys understand how many bills I've got. I got 14 credit cards. Everything is on auto pay. I've got 2 direct deposits that go into my Chase account. I would have to change everything. Everything that I pay for would have to be paid for with a new credit card, or with a new debit card number. It would literally take me forever to get everything changed over. So this may be the last you see of the Sonata. I'm actually sad to think I may have to go pick the Corvette back up. I love the Corvette, but this is the car I was looking for to get me through, maybe the next year, 2 tops. What a day. Let's go pick up car number 2. It's one of those days, man. So I drove over here and they have no record of the car in the system being sold to us. So they can't release it, and they can't get a hold of the guy in Texas that they need to get a hold of. So I guess I'll run to my bank, my credit union, and go have a few words with them and see if we can get this situation worked out. And then if not, I'll head to the dealership and I guess go pick the vet back up. See what happens. Well, ladies and gentlemen. There she is. The old stinking Lincoln. So $675 out the door with fees. That's total. And she's actually running. We're about to find out how it runs. Ugh. Listen to her purr, man. She is quiet. Runs great. Have a look at the interior here. Uh-oh. Comes with the key fob. All of the windows work. Let's see if the seat works. Where's the seat buttons here? There we go. Yeah, the seat works too. Wow. The title for this is in an estate trust. Windshield wipers work. Look, it comes with a full tank of gas. All the windows work. Let's see if the heater works here. Get that going. Wow. This is nice. This is real nice. So before we go any further, do you think it's going to run and drive on its own? No issues? Look, air suspension. Uh-oh, the hood just popped up. I guess I better go check that. Do you think it's going to drive home? No issues? Let's find out. All right, we're in drive. Hold on, let me adjust my mirror. Heated mirrors. Yes, heated mirrors work. Got my Prius right over there. Ooh, she got a little get up and go to her, don't she? This thing is a boat. Damn. There we go. It's shifting just fine. Steering feels good. I'm actually impressed. She drives really well. Really well. Give her a little gas. Transmission shifts solid. I mean, solid. All right, this is a win. This is a win. $675 for a stinking Lincoln that runs and drives. Let's get her home. Well, she made it home. There it is. She's a strong runner, man, no doubt. We got a little bit of a power steering whine. Nothing major, nothing too crazy. And the body, the paint is just, I don't know what to say, man. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Got to give a shout out to Tim on this one. He found it, and I wasn't too certain about this. But hell, man, he picked out a decent car. Good job, Tim. So what do you think? What do you think of the stinking leak? And by the way, nothing leaks under this thing either. Nothing at all. 170,000 miles, came with a full tank of gas. As far as I can tell, everything works. The air conditioning works, heat works, all the buttons, all the windows. Like, everything on this car. And talk about a trunk. Good God. Look at the trunk in this thing, man. I mean, it even comes with a full-size spare. Wow. And the stereo doesn't sound too bad either. And it's got that trunk that latches itself just like that. Good tags, clear title, everything's good to go. So man, this is going to be like the easiest one I think we've ever picked up. This thing's ready. Where you at, Mike? Where you at, Mike? Come pick this bad boy up. Let's get this thing down to the lot and see how quick we can flip it. But wait, there's more. I want to give a big shout out to Peter Greenwood from the Kansas City facility. He's the, if I remember correctly, the regional manager for Copart in this general area. So he's out here doing some work with the local Oklahoma City Copart yard. And he's introduced himself to me. We've had some great conversation. He's a great guy. Really excited to know him and for him to he's checked out a few of my videos. So I wanted to give him a shout out in this video. Thank you, Peter, for all your help. You've been a huge help with all the drama that went on the last couple days. So thank you for that, man. And hopefully we can do some more stuff in the future. I really look forward to doing some work with Copart. That's it. But before we go, just found a buck. I'll take it, man. This is a, well, no, it doesn't quite buy a McDouble anymore, does it? But what's with finding money in these cars? Found $1 in this one and found two $2 bills in the Audi the other day. What do you think, guys? If you think this car was a great buy at $675 with fees out the door, clear title, not salvage, clear title, and I got to go run the Carfax on it. I'll bet this thing's got a clean Carfax, maybe even a one owner. If you think $675 is a hell of a deal on this car, give it a big thumbs up. And I want you to comment something below. Tell me how much you think this is going to sell for on the lot. What do you think the price is going to be on this car? What do you think it's actually going to sell for? I'm not going to tell you what I think. I'm going to wait and see what you guys think. Then we'll do a video talking about what it sold for, and we'll see who was right and who was wrong. So comment below how much you think it's going to sell for. Give the video a thumbs up if you think this car was a great steal. Shout out to my brother. And Mike, come get this bad boy. Let's make some money. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the content. Subscribe to this channel if you're not currently a subscriber. I am going to go work on the Audi so I can bring you tomorrow's video. Let's see what we can do. Stay safe out there, everybody. I'll catch you very soon in the next one.